Today we're going to show you how to reset the service reminder on your Polaris RZR. The standard maintenance intervals occur every 25 hours of runtime, but you do want to refer to your owner's manual for more information on the recommended maintenance and inspections. But once you've done your service, all you need to do is turn your key on. You can see when we cycle the key, we have that flashing wrench. You're going to hit the mode button to enter the settings menu. And then you're gonna use your arrows to cycle through until you see service hours. Press the mode button to select that. And then from here, this is already preset at the 25-hour reset, but if you wanna increase the time or decrease the time, you can toggle up or down. We're gonna do the 25-hour reset though. So from here, all we need to do is press and hold the mode button, and we're gonna wait until it exits to the main screen. Now I'm just gonna do one more key cycle to verify that I don't have the service wrench anymore. That's it, that's all it takes. If you need any maintenance items, you can find that stuff on our website. Click the link in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch our other maintenance videos.